tell us who you are and what brought you in the office.
Hi, Amy. My name is Regina, and I'm from Lake Havasu. I was referred to Dr. Gough by my physical therapist in Lake Havasu. I was going to him for some meniscus knee issues and some carpal tunnel issues. I discovered that I needed my hips replaced, probably hereditary from my mom had both of her hips replaced. At any rate, I saw Dr. Gough. We had an telemed appointment back in, I think, November or December, and had my first hip replacement in February, my right hip. And 90 days later, I had my second hip replaced, my left hip. I am 6 weeks post-op, and I promised Dr. Gough I wouldn't run, but I could run if I needed to. It's fabulous. It's been a very, very positive experience. Gave me my life back. Kind of makes me emotional. But in a nutshell, it was the best surgical experience you could expect.
What are some things, I'm super curious, what are some things that you're doing now that you couldn't do before?
Oh, I can cross my legs again. I can put my own shoes and socks on again. I literally could not walk when I came in because both hips were very arthritic. So it's literally given me my life back.
That's amazing.
Mobility.
That's amazing. What advice would you give someone who is maybe thinking about it or maybe scared to have their hips replaced?
My biggest fear was actually being under the anesthesia, and you guys have a great team of folks that you use, anesthesiologists and CRNAs. I did not have any ill effects, no vomiting or nausea or anything afterwards. I would encourage anybody, whether it's a knee or a hip, to entertain Dr. Gough. I think he is cutting edge, and the rehab time is just, it's unbelievable. I mean, I wasn't using a walker 24 hours after. That's amazing. Using a cane 2 days after. I mean, I'm still going through some rehab, of course, doing some physical therapy, but I barely even have a limp left. So, and six weeks post-op. So,
amazing.
Had both of them back to back this year. This was my year for new hips.
Amazing. Regina, thank you so much for sharing your story with us and with our viewers. We really appreciate it and appreciate you being here and choosing Gough Surgical. So thank you.
I appreciate you guys, and thank you very much.